So today we are going to discuss the chapter The Rise of Nationalism in Europe in class 10th history, which actually focuses on the emergence of nationalism in Europe during the 19th century, and it actually played a key role in the formation of nation states. Okay, so we already know the chapter is divided into several sections that cover different phases and events. So it'll go one by one. The first and the foremost phase is the French Revolution, the first one, which happened in 1789. We already know about it. It sparked the idea of nationalism. The revolutionaries introduced concepts like liberty, equality, and fraternity, which actually promoted the idea of a unified nation. And Napoleon spread these ideas across Europe. So, this was the first major point in this chapter. And when we go further, the second major point is Napoleonic reforms and their impact. So the person called Napoleon, his civil code, Napoleonic civil code it is called, Napoleonic code spread revolutionary ideas of modern state systems. Okay. However, his expansionist policies also led to opposition, causing resistance among the conquered nations. And the third major point is the Congress of Vienna, which happened in 1815. So, what happened is after the defeat of Napoleon, European powers met to restore monarchies and redraw the boundaries of Europe. So, this Congress suppressed nationalist and liberal ideas, but it could not stop the rise of these movements because it was already spreading and it was already there among the people. Okay. The fourth major phase is the revolution of 1830 and 1848. So what happened is the 1830s and 1848 saw several nationalist uprisings across Europe. So the revolution of 1848 is known as the springtime of nations, where different ethnic groups and nations demanded their independence. So it was expected, right? And the fifth and the major point which comes to place is unification of Germany and Italy. Please make it a point that it is very important and is always repeated in the exams. The mid 19th century saw the unification of Germany and Italy as independent nation states. Leaders like Otto von Bismarck in Germany and Giuseppe Garibaldi in Italy played crucial roles in unifying their nations. And the second major point which comes in this chapter is the role of Romanticism and culture. So, Romanticism influenced nationalism by promoting the idea of or the glorification of culture, language, and history. So, the poets, artists, and historians contributed to national movements by fostering a sense of shared heritage and collective belongingness. This is also a repeated question which comes in your exam. Okay, and the next and the final point is the Balkan nationalism. So, in the Balkans, nationalist feelings led to the decline of the Ottoman Empire and the rise of several new nation states, setting the stage for future conflicts in Europe. So, these were the major points which is actually discussed in this chapter. The chapter emphasized how nationalist ideas evolved and spread throughout Europe, which actually led to the formation of modern nation states, and significantly when we talk about it impacted the global history as well. Hope you like the brief and happy reading. Have a happy great day.